Hi, welcome to this video. Here we're going to set up an inflatable ring pool. Here I've got the Bestway Hydrium 12 feet pi inflatable pool. I think it was a good deal because it came with a pump, and buying a pump separately can be a significant cost. But before we proceed any further, I want to mention that as with any type of pool, you must follow all public regulations regarding pool safety in your area, and please make sure your kids and family are safe to use the pool. I'm going to show you what the box comes with. The pool itself. Make sure you don't open the box with any sharp knife or any other sharp object, as it will risk tearing the pool. And here's the pump and the piping to go along with it. There's some long and shorter pipes or tubing, and then a few drain plugs. I also went ahead and got a pool cover, and I was really glad I got that. I cover the pool when it's not in use to keep away the leaves, animals, and insects from getting into the water. Your pool must be on level ground, but it can be off by less than an inch or so max, because when you fill it with water, you'll notice even small imperfections will make a big difference. So I kind of chose a fairly level concrete area in my backyard that would fit all of the pool. So make sure you measure your level area, or you find tips on creating a level area, because once the pool is full, it's gonna make a lot of difference. I didn't get a pool mat, so decided to line the bottom with heavy-duty construction quality trash bags. But I think if you can, you should get a real mat, because in the end I abandoned the bags and it was not a good idea. Even little specks of dirt or twigs, were causing imperfections when the water was full. So once you have more or less laid out the pool, you'll need an air pump to inflate the ring. You can't use this pool without inflating the ring, as the water won't hold. So if you can get a good pump to increase the rate, but if you're using a normal foot pump, this can take anywhere from 15 minutes minimum to a half hour. I did this over the course of 2 days and shared the work with my brother. When the ring is inflated, you are now ready to attach all the tubing or piping and the water inlet and outlet parts. You will see holes marked as A or B. In the 12 feet pool, there's one A and two Bs. The longer pipe goes to A and the shorter pipes attach to B. It's easier to put in the water inlet and outlet parts first and then attach the tubing. So that's what we're going to do now. Just push it in fully. We'll do the same for the two outlets and attach them to the B labeled holes. Now we're ready to attach the tubing outside. The short tubings are all of the same length, so you can attach any one to the B's first. Now we're going to take the T connector and attach the 3 sets of tubing to it from B. Make sure the O-ring fits properly into the gasket or O-ring slot. Otherwise, you'll have a serious leaking of water when the pool is filled with water. When you're all ready with connecting the inlet and outlet parts and the tubing from the pool, you're now ready to make the connections to the pump. The pump has small labelings with A and B on either side. At this point, just attach the A tubing to A and the end of the B tubing part to B. And again, make sure the O-rings are properly in their slots to prevent water leaks, and also make sure the pump is on level ground and fully upright. For extra security, Bestway has provided some water pipe clamps and attached them at all points where a connection is made. Tighten them securely because if they are loose, then there will be water leaks. So I'm just showing you all the points where these clamps have been attached to. At this point, I'm going to open the top screw of the pump. You must be aware that you cannot run a pump dry. It has to fill with water and then leak a little from the top, and then you tighten the top screw up and let the pump run. The pool is now pretty much ready. Now you need to straighten the pool bottom as best as you can. You can also see that we got the hose ready. Start filling the pool with water and stop when you have an inch or two of water in it. That's because you can only do the final straightening out when the pool has a little water in it. But if there's too much water, you won't be able to move the plastic, so make sure you stop the hose when there's an inch or two of water in it. We also got some chlorine tablets and a chlorine dispenser. Basically, just pop a tablet in and throw in the water. Each tablet packet will tell you how much you need, and you can do a little math or get some water chlorine testing strips to see if you have the right amount of chlorine in your pool. So while I was filling up the pool, I also noticed that my pool was defective and had one small hole that was leaking water. Thankfully, Bestway came with a vinyl pool repair kit that I could use to quickly mend it. At first I was really worried, and I guess I'll make another video and show how to repair your pool if it does happen to have a small leak or so. Anyway, after 5 hours of filling with water, the pool was ready. You can speed up the process with 2 hoses if you like. I think it's really great to relax, and it's big enough that 5 or more people can get in very comfortably. So overall, I think I'll have a great summer with this pool. I thank you all for watching, and I hope this video was helpful, and I'll try to make more videos about other topics to help people out, and have a great summer.